In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily add a YouTube to taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive in to the process. So first things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for YouTube. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Click on the here at the down arrow key, click on it to expand or reveal a list of the options and go with open file location. So eventually you will be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click here. Okay. And from here, click on this copy icon, close the window, and at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. The moment we have moved it to the desktop, let's move on to the pinning or adding it to the taskbar. So how we can do so, please make a right click here. Okay. And you can see at the bottom of that, you can see there, show more options. Click on it. And eventually you would be able to open up a window like this where you can see their pinned to taskbar next to scan with Microsoft Defender. Click on it and eventually in a few seconds it will be pinned here until it will be added here at the taskbar. Okay, so this is good for easy access. You can simply access it to the taskbar and here you can simply use your YouTube without even searching it to the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so it's now opening and it's now working. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Please don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on adding a YouTube or pinning a YouTube in the taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day.